I've got some major Iron Man vibes right now. Hey guys, what's up? It's Dr. Greeney. Today I got an exciting video. I'm gonna do a video similar to the one I did for the Medicube HR device, which was like an unboxing, first impressions type situation. But today we have the Qure. So this is an awesome face mask, LED face mask. You can see it comes in a sweet box, almost like Apple level packaging on that. I always think it's kind of cool to review products like this because they are a little bit pricey. So this mask in particular goes for about $330, but I've seen masks like this go for up to $2,100. And certainly if you get any type of LED red light therapy in the doctor's office, it can be quite expensive. So I just want to give you a good idea what you're getting into if you decide to buy this device. So I'm just going to go through the box here a little bit. It comes with the mask, of course. It comes with an adjustable head strap, a USB cord for charging, a storage bag, and then the manual. Some of the claims that the device makes are stimulating natural collagen production and rejuvenating skin cells, eliminating acne and regulating oil production, and then also reducing the appearance of dark spots, scarring, and decreasing inflammation. So they have a nice diagram on the outside of the box showing basically the layers of the skin, and then you'll notice blue light, which is a shorter wavelength, doesn't penetrate as deep as red lights into the skin. So our blue lights can work on bacteria that's on the surface of our skin, while red lights penetrate deeper to get down to the levels of collagen and things that may stimulate anti-aging benefits. This is pretty epic, I'm telling you. It's really nicely packaged. Here's the unveiling of it. Okay, let's not drop it. Looks freaking sweet. The first thing I noticed, I've looked at a few of these LED face masks. Some of them are really kind of floppy and inexpensive, kind of cheap feeling. This is definitely not the case with the Qure device. It feels really rugged. It's thick. It has a nice backing that's kind of softer behind it. So you see this clear kind of gel area behind it. This is soft, while the front of it is actually like a hard plastic, but it's thick. It feels very durable, which I think is important if you're gonna spend over $300 on a face mask. So to continue the unboxing, we got a nice little drawer here we can pull out. So this is where that manual is going to be at. So we have the manual USB cord in that. Set this bad boy down, make sure there's nothing else in there. I'm telling you, this is like Apple level packaging. It says pull here. Okay, we got the storage bag we were talking about. Here's the storage bag. It's actually really, really nice. It feels quite heavy, it's thick, it has a metal closure on it, and like Jurassic Park,
I can spare no expense.
We have a sexy, sleek USB cable for charging, nice sheen to it, and of course the adjustable head strap. Now before we get ahead of ourselves, I'll read the warnings. One of them is do not sit or stand on the device. So I'm glad I was warned of that because that was just about to happen. So getting started, definitely trying to put the headband on it. We'll see how smoothly this goes. Nice instruction manual here. That is done last, so I'm already off to a bad start. So we got 2 clips on it. There we go, easy peasy. One of the cool things about the Qure face mask is you can actually control it with an app on your phone. So it's one of the only LED face masks where you can do it that way. You don't necessarily need a phone though. Basically, once you've turned the mask on, if you just hit the forehead button once, then it activates the anti-aging treatment. If you hit it again, it switches over to the anti-breakout treatment. So you'll notice the anti-aging has a little bit more of a red-orange hue to it, and the anti-breakout has more of a purple hue to it. Purple's my favorite color, by the way. So this purple light therapy is very similar to the blue light therapy that we actually do in the medical office. There's a thing we do in the office called photodynamic therapy. We actually use it to treat sometimes pre-cancerous lesions, but also it can be used without medication, and the blue light on the surface of the skin helps reduce acne bacteria and can improve acne. Seen a lot of patients improve with that, but I'd say that this is really cool because you can do it at home and it doesn't require a trip to the doctor's office. So of course, before you do the treatment, you want to wash your face. You don't want to use any thick, heavy creams because that's of course going to block the light from getting to your skin. Serums and things like hyaluronic acid would be just fine to use along with the treatment if you wanted to. So I'm going to go ahead and throw this bad boy on the anti-aging treatment. I do like this mask better than others because you can actually see out of it. Some of the other ones actually mask your eyes completely. So pretty crazy. I've got some major Iron Man vibes right now. Strap's adjustable, and the treatments only take 3 minutes, and the mask shuts off off on its own after you use them. So the question is, why is this important? Well, you know, these treatments, basically like the anti-aging treatment, the idea is the red light's getting down deep into your skin to stimulate collagen formation, and that collagen formation makes a big difference in skin texture, decreasing fine lines and wrinkles in that. So this is definitely like a skincare addict kind of purchase. So if you're really into skincare, you're already doing your topical routine and everything right, then this may be a nice adjunct to your skincare routine, and it only takes 3 minutes a day. The beautiful thing about it is when you're doing these treatments, you know, you put this on, you can relax for 3 minutes, and sometimes that's more time than we typically take for ourselves just to relax and chill a little bit. If you wanted, you could stack the anti-breakout treatment with after the anti-aging treatment. That would be fine. So you just hit the button, it switches to that kind of purple color. And then I noticed the company had mentioned a few little stats. Basically, they say there was a 90% reduction in acne breakouts after 2 weeks, which is pretty fantastic. They describe that as those coming from clinical studies. 97% visible improvement in wrinkles, fine lines, and signs of aging after 10 weeks. After 10 weeks, I think this is a good thing to know because, you know, like all skincare, it does take time and consistency. So you want to stick with this and make it a good part of your routine and stay consistent. 91% improved skin tone and smoothness after 10 weeks. So the acne reduction sounds like it happens pretty fast. As you guys know, acne is caused by a variety of things. Bacteria on the skin, of course, do it. There's blockage at the pore. There's, you know, acne bacteria metabolizing oils that cause inflammation. So this kind of can help treat that acne bacteria standpoint of acne. It also helps reduce inflammation, so that may help the acne some as well. So again, after 3 minutes, the mask shuts off on its own, and basically for cleansing it after you're done, you simply wipe it down with a little bit of a damp cloth. You don't want it to be too wet. Just wipe the inside down and allow it to air dry completely. And that's pretty much it. I won't go all the way into it, but in the app, you can basically select the areas of the face you want to treat, and you can target those with different types of treatment. So that's kind of cool that it's customizable like that. So I'm not selling this mask, and Qure is not paying me for this video, but I definitely wanted to put this video out for those of you who had questions or wanted to see the mask before you bought it. So I hope I answered some questions, and feel free to ask any questions in the comments below. As I get more familiar with this mask, I'll be able to answer them even better. I will see you guys next week.